Number 3 says the square root of 24. You want to see it as a decimal. This is really long, and if I look at it, it starts off with a pattern 8989, but then it changes to 79486. I want you to write it down. Remember, we talked about that we know pi is a decimal that goes on forever, but my calculator decides to stop at some point because that's enough for you to see. So it may look like this one terminates, but there is no pattern and it's carried out really far. So this really is a decimal that goes on forever. So how am I going to classify it? Well, I know it's real, and I have to choose irrational or rational. So far we've had rational because these are decimals that stop. This one does not stop, so label it as irrational. On the flow chart, there's no sections or subsets below irrational, so it stops there. Number 4 is already written as a decimal, so I'm ready to classify. I know it's real. It is a decimal that terminates just like number 1, so that means it's rational because it stops. Below rational on the flow chart, it says integer. That was like -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are no decimals in rational numbers. There's no decimals in integers, whole numbers, or counting numbers, so this one is only real and rational. Now, I'm going to stop, and I want you to try to do on your own without help from a partner. You're just going to try. It's not a grade. Just need your effort. I want you to only do 5, 6, 7, 8 and try to make sure you write the decimal version beside it like we did. And then you're looking at your flow chart to see where it could fit, and you list everything that applies to it. Okay? And you can glue this down on the next page in your journal. I want you to put your supplies neatly, please, at the back table. And read your library book and be a really good kid until the bell rings. Bye, guys.